I am going to murder someone. What in the hell? I am absolutely going shit crap crazy. Fuck this. I swear to God, the second I fucking sit down, it goes off. This is some Truman Show bullshit. Okay, where the fuck? Where the fuck? Oh my Christ. Who is that? Fucking machinery? Is that some asshole building something? Fuck is that? The fuck? Fuck! Fuck, where the hell is it coming from? Fuck! Swear to God, this is some shit. Making the same fucking loop again. Christ almighty. Do not know what the fuck is going on. Nine minutes till the WC. Is it these assholes? Who is the fucking idiot? Fuck a horse. Fuck that guy. What the hell? Piss! Motherfuck, where the fuck is that? Where the fuck? It's all an echoey sack of shit. I looked hard.